Hi, today is a very special day. Do you know what date is today? Yes, it is Friday and tomorrow is Saturday, meaning we will have movie night with Svetty. No, it is my birthday. Oh yeah. Did you forget my birthday? No, I prepared something special for you together with the whole family.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much. This is the best day ever. I am glad you like it, but there is one more surprise. What? Svetty, bring the present.
Emo, do you want to open it?